Cellular respiration is the process by which living organisms break down glucose to release energy in the form of ATP, adenosine, or the adenosine triphosphate. This energy is then used to power various cellular processes such as muscle contraction, protein synthesis, and active transport. Glycolysis is the first stage of cellular respiration, and it's the breakdown of glucose into pyruvate. This process occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell and doesn't require oxygen. The Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle, is the second stage of cellular respiration. It takes place in the mitochondria, specifically in matrix. The electron transport chain, or the ETC, is the final stage of cellular respiration, where the majority of ATP is produced. It occurs in the inner mitochondrial membrane and involves a series of protein complexes that transfers electrons. Growth and development. Energy is required for building new cells and tissues, essential for growth and development. Movement. Movement is muscle contraction, which enables movement, requires a significant amount of energy from cellular respiration. Active transport. Moving molecules across cell membranes against their concentration gradient, a vital process for maintaining cellular function, requires energy. Synthesis of molecules. Building complex molecules like proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids requires energy supplied by cellular respiration. Maintaining body temperature. In warm-blooded animals, cellular respiration generates heat to maintain a stable body temperature. Signal transduction. Cellular communication and signaling processes rely on energy from cellular respiration. Essentially, cellular respiration is the foundation of life, powering all the essential processes that keep organisms alive and functioning. That's all, and thank you for listening.